How to clear cache on TikTok. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear your TikTok cache on both Android and iPhone. So if your app is running slow or you need some extra space, follow along step by step. All right, let's get started. First, open your TikTok app on your phone. Make sure it's the latest version and that you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, then tap the three lines at the top right to open the menu and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Cache and Cellular section and tap Free Up Space. It's between offline videos and data usage. TikTok will start calculating your data usage. Once that's done, look for Cache and tap Clear next to it. Tap Clear again to confirm. This will free up space without affecting your videos or account. If you want, you can also clear the cache through your phone's settings. Tap and hold the TikTok app. Tap the eye icon at the top to go to App Info. Now go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your account. It just resets the app's internal files. Another tip, you can force stop the app and reopen it, or uninstall and reinstall TikTok to refresh it completely. And that's it. Clearing your cache is a quick way to free up space and help TikTok run smoother.